Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something a little different, a unique desk accessory from Ydoops, the mechanical keyboard ornament. Now this isn't a functional keyboard key of course, but it's designed to look just like one, scaled up, and it has some really interesting features. First off, the design itself is quite innovative. It mimics the look and feel of a mechanical keyboard keycap, which is instantly appealing to anyone who loves keyboards or gaming setups. It's a black ornament that sits nicely on a desk. One of the standout features is the luminous display. The number stickers that come with it actually emit a soft glow in the dark. This isn't just a gimmick. It makes the numbers visible even in low light conditions, which is practical, but it also adds a really warm and unique ambience to your desk space. Imagine it sitting there, giving off a subtle glow in the evening. What's really clever is that the numbers aren't fixed. The ornament comes with a set of number stickers, and you can independently attach and change them. This means you can customize the number displayed whenever you want or need to. This flexibility is key to its other uses. Beyond just being a cool piece of decor, which it certainly is, adding a special touch to an office, study, or home environment. This changeable number feature opens up another practical application. The manufacturer suggests using it as a temporary parking number display. If you need to leave your car somewhere temporarily, you can quickly stick the relevant numbers onto the ornament and place it visibly. It's an easy way to mark your contact number without needing a dedicated parking sign. So, you've got an innovative design that catches the eye, a cool luminous effect, customizable numbers, and even a practical use case beyond just looking good. It serves as a great desktop decoration, enhancing the overall look of your space, and offers that unexpected utility as a temporary parking number. It's a novel item that definitely stands out and brings a unique element to any desk setup. It's more than just a simple ornament. It's a conversation starter and a surprisingly versatile little gadget.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.